Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. Get ready to rev up those engines and hit the open road because today we're diving headfirst into the dazzling world of Indian road trips. From the breathtaking Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches, India has a road trip for every adventurer. We're talking winding roads, stunning landscapes, and memories that'll last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or a first-timer, buckle up because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey together. So grab your maps, pack your bags, and get ready to explore incredible India, one epic road trip at a time. All right, adventure junkies, let's kick things off with a bang. Get ready to embark on a journey that will take your breath away, both literally and figuratively. We're talking about one of the most exhilarating road trips you can imagine. Our first epic road trip takes us through the majestic Himalayas, from Manali to Leh. This route is renowned for its stunning landscapes and challenging roads, making it a favorite among thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. Picture this: snow-capped mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and the feeling of freedom in the air. The scenery is so surreal it feels like you've stepped into a postcard. Every turn reveals a new, awe-inspiring vista that will leave you speechless. This iconic route, spanning over 473 kilometers, is not for the faint of heart. The winding roads and steep inclines will test your driving skills, but the sense of accomplishment you'll feel at the end is unparalleled. It's a 2-day journey, but trust me, every minute is worth it. From the break of dawn to the starry night sky, the changing light transforms the landscape into a living, breathing work of art. You'll want to savor every twist and turn, every breathtaking view. Take your time, stop often, and let the beauty of the Himalayas sink in. This is not just a drive, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Speaking of breathtaking, be prepared for the altitude. The high elevations can be challenging, especially if you're not used to them. But don't worry, the views from up high are more than worth the effort. We're talking serious heights here, so pack some altitude sickness medication just in case. It's better to be safe than sorry, and you'll want to be in top shape to fully enjoy the journey. And don't forget your woolens. Even in summer, temperatures can drop, especially at night. The crisp mountain air can be quite chilly, so layer up to stay warm and comfortable. Now, let's talk highlights. You'll pass through the jaw-dropping Rohtang Pass, known for its panoramic views. This high mountain pass offers some of the most spectacular scenery you'll encounter on the trip. And don't even get me started on Pangong Tso Lake. That stunning blue water is like something out of a dream. The lake's serene beauty is a perfect spot to take a break and soak in the tranquility. Oh, and speaking of dreams, you'll want to make sure your car is in tip-top shape. The rugged terrain can be tough on vehicles, so a thorough checkup before you start is essential. This is a rugged terrain, so a good sturdy vehicle is a must. An SUV or an off-road vehicle is ideal for handling the rough roads and ensuring a smooth journey. And pack some snacks because those roadside dabas, those little restaurants, are calling your name with some delicious local treats. These eateries offer a taste of the local cuisine and are perfect for a quick pit stop. Before you hit the road, a little cultural tip: show respect to the local monasteries and people. The Himalayas are rich in culture and tradition, and a little respect goes a long way in making your journey more meaningful. This journey is not just about the destination. It's about immersing yourself in the rich culture of the Himalayas. From the local customs to the breathtaking landscapes, every moment is an opportunity to connect with something greater than yourself. Next up, we're trading in our mountain gear for swimsuits and shades. It's time to swap the chilly mountain air for the warm, salty breeze of the coast. Get ready to dive into a journey filled with sun, sand, and sea. That's right. We're heading to the coast for a classic Mumbai to Goa road trip. This iconic route is a favorite among travelers, offering a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene beaches of Goa, this trip promises an unforgettable experience. This 600-kilometer stretch of paradise is best enjoyed with the windows down, music up, and the salty air in your hair. Imagine cruising along the scenic coastal roads, with the sun shining brightly and your favorite tunes playing in the background. It's the ultimate road trip experience. This trip is all about soaking up the laid-back vibes, exploring hidden beaches, and indulging in some delicious seafood. Picture yourself discovering secluded spots where the sand is soft, the water is clear, and the crowds are nowhere to be found. And when it comes to food, the coastal cuisine is a treat for your taste buds. Think fresh fish, spicy vindaloo, and maybe a cocktail or two. The local flavors are rich and diverse, offering a culinary adventure that complements the scenic beauty of the coast. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, the coastal dishes will leave you craving for more. You'll be cruising down the NH-48, also known as the Mumbai-Goa Highway, and let me tell you, the scenery is breathtaking. The highway winds through lush landscapes, offering glimpses of the sea, hills, and quaint villages along the way. It's a visual feast that makes the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Lush green hills meet sparkling blue waters, and the air is filled with the scent of frangipani and the sound of crashing waves. The natural beauty of this region is truly mesmerizing, providing a perfect backdrop for your coastal adventure. Every turn on this route reveals a new, stunning vista. Now, a little travel tip. Avoid driving at night if you can. The roads can be tricky and less predictable after dark, and it's always safer to travel during daylight hours. Plus, you'll get to enjoy the beautiful scenery that you might miss at night. The roads can be unpredictable, and we want you to enjoy the journey safely. Daytime driving not only ensures better visibility, but also allows you to take in the stunning landscapes and make spontaneous stops at interesting spots along the way. And speaking of safety, pack light, breathable clothes, sunscreen, and a hat. The coastal climate can be quite warm, so it's important to stay comfortable and protected from the sun. Light clothing and sun protection will keep you cool and ready to explore. Goa is all about embracing the tropical climate. The warm weather, gentle sea breeze, and sunny skies create an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and adventure. Whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the local attractions, the tropical vibe adds to the charm of Goa. Oh, and don't forget to pack your dancing shoes. Goa's nightlife is legendary, with vibrant clubs, beach parties, and live music that will keep you dancing all night long. It's the perfect way to end a day of coastal exploration. Goa is known for its vibrant nightlife. The energy is infectious, and the party scene is diverse, offering something for everyone. From beach shacks to upscale clubs, the nightlife in Goa is an experience you won't want to miss. But remember, respect the local culture and traditions. Goa has a rich cultural heritage, and it's important to be mindful of the local customs and practices. By showing respect, you'll have a more enriching and enjoyable experience, and you'll leave a positive impact on the places you visit. Ready for a dose of spirituality and serenity? Our next road trip takes us from Chennai to Pondicherry, a journey of about 160 kilometers along the scenic East Coast Road. This route is all about ancient temples, colonial architecture, and a unique blend of French and Indian cultures. As you drive along the coast, you'll be greeted by stunning views of the Bay of Bengal. Make sure to stop at Mahabalipuram, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the ancient rock-cut temples. And when you reach Pondicherry, get ready to be transported to a different world. This former French colony is a charming mix of cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and a peaceful atmosphere. Explore the French Quarter, visit the Sri Aurobindo Ashram, and don't forget to try some authentic French pastries. Now, a few travel tips. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March. Pack light, comfortable clothing, and don't forget your walking shoes. You'll want to explore these charming towns on foot. And remember, Pondicherry has a strong spiritual vibe, so be respectful of local customs and traditions. Hold on tight, because we're heading to the northeast, to the land of monasteries and mist-covered mountains. The Guwahati to Tawang road trip is not for the faint of heart, but it's an experience that will stay with you forever. This epic journey, spanning over 500 kilometers, takes you through the heart of Arunachal Pradesh, a state known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Get ready for winding roads, dramatic landscapes, and a glimpse into the Tibetan Buddhist culture. One of the highlights of this trip is the Sela Pass, one of the highest motorable passes in the world. At over 13,000 feet, the views from here are simply breathtaking. And when you reach Tawang, prepare to be mesmerized by the Tawang Monastery, the largest Buddhist monastery in India. Now, a few travel tips. This region experiences heavy rainfall, so it's best to travel during the drier months, from October to May. Pack for all kinds of weather, including warm clothes, rain gear, and comfortable shoes. And remember, permits are required to enter Himachal Pradesh, so make sure to plan. Get ready to be transported back in time as we embark on a royal adventure from Jaipur to Jaisalmer. This journey is not just a trip. It's a deep dive into the rich tapestry of Rajasthan's history and culture. From the bustling streets of Jaipur to the serene sands of Jaisalmer, every moment is a story waiting to be told. This 570-kilometer journey through the heart of Rajasthan is a feast for the senses, with magnificent forts, vibrant culture, and the vast Thar Desert stretching as far as the eye can see. The landscapes change dramatically, offering a visual treat that is both diverse and captivating. Starting in Jaipur, the Pink City, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors, bustling bazaars, and stunning palaces. The city is a vibrant blend of old and new, where ancient traditions meet modernity in a harmonious dance. Make sure to visit the Hawa Mahal, the City Palace, and the Amber Fort. Each of these landmarks tells a unique story of the city's royal past and architectural brilliance. As you leave Jaipur behind, the landscape transforms into a mesmerizing desertscape. The transition is almost magical, as the urban hustle gives way to the tranquil expanse of the desert. You'll pass through small villages, encounter camel caravans, and see locals going about their daily lives. These villages are the heart and soul of Rajasthan, offering a glimpse into the simple yet rich lifestyle of its people. And witness the raw beauty of the Thar Desert. The endless sand dunes, the play of light and shadow, and the sheer vastness of the desert are sights to behold. And then, rising from the desert sands, you'll spot Jaisalmer, the Golden City. This city, with its golden-hued buildings, looks like a mirage in the desert, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. This ancient city, with its sandstone architecture, seems to glow in the desert sun. Explore the Jaisalmer Fort, a living fort where people still reside, adding a unique charm to its historical significance. Get lost in the narrow lanes of the old city, where every corner has a story to tell, and every building is a piece of art. And don't miss the sunset over the sand dunes. The sky painted in hues of orange and pink, the cool desert breeze, and the serene silence make it a moment of pure magic. It's an experience you'll never forget. The beauty of the desert, combined with the rich history and culture of Rajasthan, leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Now, a few travel tips. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March. Pack light, loose-fitting clothing, as the days can be warm, but the nights can get quite chilly. Sunscreen, a hat, and comfortable walking shoes are essential. The sun can be quite harsh, so it's important to protect yourself. And sunglasses to protect yourself from the desert sun. The glare can be intense, so a good pair of sunglasses is a must. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Carry plenty of water with you, especially when exploring the desert areas. Oh, and when you're bargaining for souvenirs in the bazaars, channel your inner haggler. It's all part of the fun, and an integral part of the shopping experience in Rajasthan. It's all part of the fun. The joy of finding a unique item and the thrill of getting a good deal add to the charm of your journey. And there you have it, folks. 5 epic Indian road trips that are sure to ignite your wanderlust. From the Himalayas to the desert, each journey offers a unique blend of adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your keys, gather your travel buddies, and hit the open road. India awaits, with its open arms and endless possibilities. Don't forget to share your own road trip stories and dream destinations in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to VueX for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.